Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. The same component I have created in NX, the same component we are going to recreate it using NX. These are the steps I have followed it. Now we will learn how to create this component step by step in NX. For that, first go to the file, new, first choose model, your units choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location, then save OK. Now we'll open this diagram. We'll keep this file right side. First we'll start with this blade. For that, go to the sketch, choose the right plane, say OK. Take a rectangle. I'm just creating one rectangle. Press the roller to confirm. Here the bottom width is 66 plus 18 plus 18. So here the dimension is 66 plus 18 plus 18 plus enter it. Say yes. And this height is 60 plus 18 plus 18. Plus 18 plus enter. Plus enter. This one is 102 and this one is 96. Then make it symmetric. This point, and this axis. Save OK. Now sketch is fully defined. Then go for the finish sketch. Then go for the extrude and make it here a symmetric value. The thickness of this plate is 12 mm. Save OK. Now we have created this plate. Then we'll create this cylinder. To create this cylinder, we need to create a datum plane from the distance of from here to this surface, which is 36. We need to create a datum plane 36 minus 12, which is 24. For that, go to the datum plane, select this one. Here you choose option called at distance. Here that we need to create a datum plane with a distance of 24. Save OK. Then go for the sketch. Now choose this datum plane. Save OK. Then hide this plane. Now we need to create this cylinder at the center. For that, just create one circle at the center. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Just provide some any dimension. Then make this line as a construction line. Then it will become axis line. Then take a circle. Just create one random circle. The diameter of the circle is, here you can see 48. Press the roller to confirm. From the center point to the bottom is 138. 138. Press the roller to confirm. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. The total distance of extrusion is 48 plus here there is a 12 mm. So add this. So 48 plus 12, that is 60. Save OK. Then hide the sketch. Then we'll create this feature, this L-shaped support plate. For that, go to the sketch again. Choose the mid plane of front plane. Now take a line from this point. Just create a line, not from here. Just go somewhere here. Just create a line. Here, just create a line. Press the roller to confirm. Again, press the roller to confirm. First, define this line. This point. This one we make it coincident. Here we make it the dimension of 36. And this dimension same 42. Now just offset these two lines. Just select this line. Then go to the offset. The offset distance is 12 mm. Similarly select this line also. Then both the line will get connected and offsetted. Then say OK. Then take a line again. Here and here, just close it, press the roller to confirm. Similarly here also, Just close it, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now we need to make a radius. Here it is 6 and here it is 6 plus 12 mm. For that, go to the fillet, select these two lines, you will get this one is 18. Similarly here and here, and this one is 6. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created the sketch, then go for the finish sketch, extrude. Here you make it unite. Here you make it a symmetric value. The total extrusion is here you can see, which is 48. Specify the value of 48. Save OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then we just want to make this cut. For that, go to the sketch, select the surface, say OK. Take a circle. First create a first circle. Then create a second circle. The second circle diameter is 24. Then take a line from the center point to somewhere here. Similarly from center point to somewhere here. Press the roller to confirm. Then go for the trim. Remove this bottom one, this one, this one, this one and this one. Press the roller to confirm. Now the sketch is finished. Then go for finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. We need to subtract it from this object. First we need to make a unite. Go to the unite. Select this one. The second body is this one. Say OK. Now it will become single body. Now go to the extrude. Select this one. Change the direction. Here make it subtract. How much is 12 mm? Say OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then we will create a hole with the diameter of same 24. For that, take this hole tool. Move your cursor to the edge of the circle. You will get hole at the center. The diameter of the hole is 24. Just apply it. Now you will get the hole. Then we just want to create a holes here. First we will create a round with a radius of 18 mm. For that, go to the edge blend. Choose this edge, this one, and this one. The radius of the round is 18 mm. Save OK. Then we will create a hole at the center of this round. For that, use the standard hole tool. Move your cursor to the edge of the hole. Just Ctrl Z. Just go to the standard hole. Just click here. The diameter of the hole is 14. Normal to the face. Similarly, just choose this edge, this one, this one. Save OK. Now we have created these 4 holes. Then here we have one rib is there with a thickness of 12 mm. For that, go to the sketch again. Choose the mid plane. Save OK. Take a line here to here. Press the roller to confirm. Just orient view. Now this point from here, the dimension is 6. It's correct. And from here, from the top to bottom, from here to this point, which is 96, is correct only. Then from here to here is 24 plus 48 plus 12. From here to this point to here is 24 plus 48 plus 12. All the dimension we have defined. Then go for the finish sketch. Go for the rib. edit one, just delete it and delete it here also. First take a line, this point and this point. Press the roller to confirm, then go for the finish sketch, go for rib, select this one. Here we cannot make a rib, for that we need to make a sketch. For that just go here, edit one, take a line from here, somewhere here, just create a line, just finish the sketch, then extrude it. Go for extrude, choose the sketch, make it symmetric value, edit one. The sketch is not closed, here you can see. So open sketch, make it coincidence. Now only it is closed, then finish the sketch, extrude, select this one, symmetric value, unite. The thickness of the extrusion is 12 mm. Say OK. This is the only way we can create a rib. Then hide the sketch. Just right click here, orient view, isometric. Now we have created all the features. The final features is the round with a radius of 6. For that go to the edge blend, choose this edge as well as this edge. The radius we make it 6. Save it. Just right click here, orient view, isometric. Now we have finished this component. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.